Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 29. Which of the following movements occur during exhalation? A. The diaphragm and intercostal muscle relax. B. The thoracic cavity increases in volume. C. The diaphragm and intercostal muscles contract. D. The diaphragm contracts and intercostal muscle relax. Now, exhalation is the second stage of breathing. Breathing, also known as external respiration, comprises of inhalation. We have inhalation and expiration. Exhalation or expiration. Expiration or exhalation. Now, during inhalation or when inhalation occurs, the body acts in such a way as to take in air into the lungs, and by doing that, the body will tend to increase the space of the thoracic cavity to take in more air. Now, during inhalation, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, that is the muscles at the rib region, will contract. So as it contracts, it will expand the thoracic cavity, thereby increasing the volume of the thoracic cavity. But during exhalation, these muscles that contract during inhalation will then relax. That is, the diaphragm and the intercostal muscle will relax, so that there will be decrease in the volume of the thoracic cavity, and so that the air can be given out to the surrounding or to the environment. So during exhalation, these muscles that contract during inhalation, which are the diaphragm and the intercostal muscle, relaxes. They relax. So as they relax, the thoracic cavity returns to its original shape, and as a result of that, air is forced out of the lungs into the surrounding. So during exhalation, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles relaxes, but during inhalation they contract and thoracic cavity increases in volume. But during exhalation, thoracic cavity decreases in volume due to the action of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles as they relax. So the answer to the question is option A. The diaphragm and intercostal muscle relax. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.